I had no intentions of getting this. This is the limited edition Monster Hunter Wilds cover plate. Now this looks like it was exclusive to Japan. So when 5-Star Games reached out to me to see if I wanted to unbox it on the channel, I said absolutely, because 1, pretty limited, and 2, I did not know it existed. They also sent over a copy of the game as well, which I am actually pretty keen to try when I have some spare time, because I'm not entirely sure if it's something that I'm going to like. So if you have played this, please let me know in the comments. I would be eager to know what your thoughts are. So this is the back of the box. I really like the color of the box, which is like this maroon red. And you've got what I'm assuming are 2 characters here from the game. I don't know if they're playable or if they're NPCs. Again, haven't played it, not too sure. But we do have some Japanese text on here, which I think is really, really cool. On the side, you do have Monster Hunter Wilds logo. And this is the front. Gotta be real. I'm a little skeptical about this cover plate because it doesn't look like much, but I'm happy to be proven wrong, so let's check it out. Like I mentioned, I unbox cover plates and controllers on my channel pretty regularly. So if you do enjoy that sort of content, please subscribe to my channel. The next one we will be checking out will actually be the Last of Us controller, the DualSense. I managed to pre-order one before it sold out, and that is not too far away. Now, of course, this is cover plates for the Slim, as always. So there should be 5 cover plates in here. I'm just going to get them all out. And I do have my Slim here ready to install. Now, why I'm a bit skeptical on these cover plates is I feel like we've seen these before. It looks like it's just standard black with a little paint job on it, but I don't know if this is enough to sell me on trying to buy that myself. I don't want this video to be negative because I was kindly gifted these and I'm very, very grateful. However, criticism is constructive at times, and I do think that this crest, this logo, as pretty as it is, it doesn't really feel like enough to be a limited edition cover plate set. I actually don't know how much this cost, given it was a Japan exclusive. It is a nice paint job though. It looks like, to me, it kind of looks like a bird or a dragon. As pretty as it is, and I think they've done a really nice job of painting it on there, I do kind of wish it was the whole thing or a bit bigger. At least have like a big crest or emblem. So this is the finished product. Matte black with a little crest in the corner. I don't want to be too much of a sad pants because it is nice to get limited edition things. I just think some game companies kind of need to do a little bit better if they are going to sell something at a limited price point as a limited edition. I still feel very grateful, don't get me wrong, that 5-Star did send these out, so thank you so much. But I think what I'm going to do, because it's time we give back a little bit. If you do want to win this set, this exact one that I've unboxed, I'll box it back up, don't you worry. We'll do a little giveaway and I will send it your way. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Of course, that is a given. But to enter this giveaway, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram up on screen, and send me a DM noting down the exact timestamp that I announce that I will give these away in a giveaway. And let me know, out of all the PlayStation 5 cover plates and DualSense unboxing videos that I've done, what your favorite one is. I will give these to someone because they can definitely go to a home that will use them. I do think these will look nice on someone's PlayStation if they do not have any cover plates at all. The black is one of my favorite sets, don't get me wrong, and I do think this corner is a nice little touch, but I kind of wish it was something else. So I think I'm going to put my pearly white ones back on, and one of you can enjoy these. So stay tuned for the next unboxing video because it will be the Last of Us DualSense controller. And I have mixed feelings on that one too. It's going to be interesting to see what that looks like in person.